language class, lesson 19. So, I need you to get out a clean sheet of paper, and out at the top of your paper, of course, put your language name and date, and then skip a line and write the word noun. And then I want you to divide your paper into 3 columns: person, place, and thing. You can pause the video until you get that done. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are learning what a noun is today. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Any person is a noun. Any place is a noun, and anything is a noun. So we're going to make a list of just a few peoples, a list of a few places, and a list of a few things, so that you will know that any of those things we have written on our list are nouns, okay? So a person. Is a girl a person? Surely. So we can write girl. Is a child a person? Sure. We could write child, and even children would work. Is a teacher a person? Sure. What about a grandma? Is a grandma a person? Yeah. What about a dog? No, that's not a person. What about a waitress? Is a waitress a person? Sure. So anything that is a person, any form of a person, whether it would be a brother or a sister or a pastor or the checkout lady in the grocery store, whether it would be anything that is a person is a noun. Let's talk about a place. Is your bedroom a place? It is. Bedroom. Is a store a place, whether it be a grocery store or a store where you go in and get a shop for clothes and shoes? Sure, a store is a place. What about a restaurant? Is a restaurant a place? It is. What about your home? Is your home a place? It is. What about the yard? Is the yard a place? It is. You can go out to the yard and play. So these are all places. And then let's talk about things. So things, my goodness, any of these things could be hundreds of millions of things. But let's talk about a lamp. Is a lamp a thing? It is. What about a river? Is a river or a mountain a thing? It is. I'm going to put them on the same line. Got to squeeze it in there. What about a pencil? It is a thing. What about a sink? A sink is a thing. What about a car? A car is a thing. So every word that we wrote on our chart is a noun because it is a person, a place, or a thing. Now you're going to use that information to complete page 21. You can go ahead and open your language books to page 21. Pause the video if you need to. On page 21, in Think A, it says circle the nouns that are people, underline the nouns that are places, and draw a box around the nouns that are things. And then it does give you a hint there. It says watch out for words that are not nouns. If it's not a people or a person, a place, or a thing, that it cannot be a noun at all. So I will tell you there are there are 3 words in there that are not nouns at all. They will not have a underline, a circle, or a box. 3 words, okay? And then in Think B, you're going to read the sentences and circle all the nouns in those sentences. In number 1, you're going to have 4 words circled that are nouns. So put a 4 at the end of your sentence so you remember that. In number 2, you are going to have 1 word that's a noun in number 2. In number 3, you are going to have 3 words circled that are nouns. So put those numbers at the end of your sentences and you will remember those. And write C. Finish the sentence by writing a person, place, or thing in each blank. Now, this is a little story that you're going to be writing, and you're going to fill in the nouns in the story. So you can make this story funny, or you can make it serious. You can make this story however you want to make it. You just have to be sure that when you're filling in the blanks, that you are filling in a person, a place, or a thing. And it even tells you under each line what to fill in. It says, do you know that I have a pet? And you're supposed to write a thing under there. Now you can make it funny and you can say, I have a pet shoe. Or you can make it serious and I have a pet dog. So you can make that story however you want to make it. It can be funny or serious. This can be a fun language sheet for you guys. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing.